Hello children, good morning everybody. Today we are going to start our English new lesson. Till yesterday we had got 16th lesson question answers in social studies. Okay, after one more lesson teaching in English, we will go to social studies again. Okay, so today we are going to learn one new lesson, very interesting lesson. Before going to lesson, I would like to tell you few things which we often do at home. We love to do, we love to have. Mostly children love to have the pets. Yes or no? Generally, what do we have as pets? Kittens, puppies, etc. In some places, people even have what to say? People even have monkeys, pythons, tigers, mongoose, etc. But in our lesson, a very interesting thing. Two children, they have got a kitten as their, what to say? They had a kitten as their pet. And having kitten or any pet at home is a very entertaining thing. But you imagine, suddenly you have got some work, you are going out of station. Can you carry these animals with you? No, it's not possible. But here in our lesson, these two children, Niren and Neera, they are brother and sister. Niren is brother, Neera is sister. They have carried their pet kitten with them while traveling. And now we will understand what all troubles they faced and their pet faced is our lesson. It is really very interesting. And today, before giving to you the difficult words and all, let me explain the lesson step by step. Let me explain the lesson. Papaya was an old, what is the name of our lesson? Papaya's Adventure. What do you think papaya means? What strikes to your mind? Papaya means a fruit, isn't it? But here it is the name of the pet, Papaya's Adventure. What do you mean by adventure? Adventure means the deeds which you do and feel thrilled are called adventures. Adventures are the actions which are full of thrills and excitement. So Papaya is the name of a kitten. Papaya is a kitten in our lesson. This is the main character, hero of our lesson, I can tell. Okay, then what did it do? How did it get the name? Generally, if you have any pet kitten or a puppy, you give the name Softy, Tiger, Tommy, Saws, Steffi, like that to the puppies. Kittens you will have Ruby, Dad, some nice names. But here they gave the name Papaya. There is a reason behind it which you will come to know through the lesson today. Okay, so Papaya's Adventure is our lesson. Papaya is the name of a kitten. Neera and Niren have. And what adventure this kitten had done is our lesson. First of all, first paragraph tells us, first and second paragraph, how did this animal get the name Papaya? Then starts our lesson. Papaya was, so let me read one paragraph and explain you. Papaya was an old name to give, Papaya was an odd name to give a grey and white tabby cat with the most beautiful golden eyes and white whiskers and white paws. But the odd thing about Neera and Niren's beloved pet kitten was her love for papayas. This cat, it is a tabby cat. Tabby means a cat with brown and white fur on its body. Understand? So cat, for example, small. Generally, how we draw the cats. Think that this is a cat. Huh? So a grey and white tabby cat with most beautiful golden eyes. Its eyes were golden color eyes it had, and white whiskers. These hair, it will have no long hair on its mouth, up over its upper lip. This is called whiskers. These are called whiskers. And white paws, leg of any animal called paws. Understand? But the odd thing about Neera and Niren's beloved pet kitten was her love for papayas. Understand? So, papaya was an odd name to be given to a beautiful, pretty, cute kitten. Tabby kitten, okay? But why it got that name? Because it loved papaya very much. It was so beautiful with its white whiskers and white paws. It has brown and white fur on its body. It was looking so cute. But name given, a fruit's name, papaya is a fruit. This fruit's name given to any kitten, it is really a kind of funny thing. But here they gave Neera and Niren. They gave this name to Tabby because it loved papaya very much. That's how it got its name. One day what happened, let us see. When she was a small kitten, she had smelt a ripe papaya in the big blue china fruit bowl in the middle of the dining table. She had jumped up and decided to taste this funny fat fruit. She had eaten up nearly half of it before she was found by Neera and Niren. When she was a small kitten, very cute small baby, that time she had smelt a ripe papaya, pandina papaya, which was kept in the china ball. China ball means, china with china clay, a white color clay. We will have crockeries, we can say, cups, bowls, saucers, etc. and glasses, okay. Such a china bowl, that fruit was kept. She was attracted towards it. Where was it kept? It was kept in the center of the dining table. Dining table where we sit and have our food. She had jumped up and decided to taste this funny fat fruit. It looked funny to her. Well, very big, papaya size also will be very big. Such a big fruit, how it can be? She wanted to taste it. So, by the time Neera and Niren were searching for this cat, by the time they reached this place, she completed eating half of the papaya. She liked it so much. So, by seeing the love of Tabby for papaya, they called her Papaya. Let's call her Papaya, said Niren, feeling happy with her himself. That's a better name for her than Kitty. Generally they call Kitty and all. So by seeing this kitten eating papaya, Niren decided to call her Papaya. He was very happy to call her Papaya. Understand? It's a funny name, Neera said. What Neera says? It's a funny name. That was not the only odd thing about their cat. They discovered next summer that Papaya liked to travel. She was a good traveling cat. Not only liking fruit. Generally, what do the cats like to eat? Either curd rice, milk rice, or drinking milk, or eating the mouse, hunting the mouse. These are its favorite food. But here, papaya, it likes the fruits very much. Among all, papaya is her favorite fruit. Understand, this is funny or not? This is a funny thing. Not only this, there are so many funny things we could know about this cat papaya. Next summer, what did they discover? Find. Discover means find. Neera and Niren found that she loves to travel also. Can they travel, children? No. But what did they understand? What did they find out? They found that this cat, Papaya, loves to travel also. It's a very good traveling cat. They named it. That summer they were to go to Kashmir for their holidays. How did they know that she likes to travel? One summer, their parents, summer generally during your long holidays, summer holidays, you people plan for some trips. Same way, they planned for the trip to Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, they had to go to Kashmir for their holidays. Then there comes the question, where to keep their kitten? Going out of town means maybe for 8 days, maybe for 15 days. It's a long time. Without food, without water, without open air, how can they keep the cat inside locked? It was a great problem for them. That's why what they thought, what to do, where to keep this cat is their problem. This problem. But where shall we leave Papaya? Mother asked. Now it is a great problem for them. Where to keep this papaya now? No one knew. At last, mother said, I suppose we will have to take her along. Nobody can accept. Nobody can take care of such animals and all. That's why, at last, they decided to take Papaya along with them on a trip. That was just what the children wanted to say. Even children also wanted to take Papaya along with them on a trip. But as mother thought and thought, she could not find any solution for this problem. Mother decided to take Papaya along with them. So that the children were very happy because they also wanted to say the same thing to their parents. We will take care of ourselves like always, they promised, shouting happily. What children Neera and Niren said, we will take care of her. Her means who here? Papaya, kitten. As we always take care of her. Now also during our journey also, we will take care of her. They said happily, they promised their parents about it. Understand? Then all Papaya saw of the journey was the dark inside of a big closely woven basket which was bumped, jolted, set down roughly and carried to and fro. She curled herself up at the bottom of the basket, sighed deeply and fell asleep. So how to carry? Cat is not a human being. She can walk along them with them. If anybody see they can object it, That's why what did they do? They packed her in a basket. So she was unable. What do you generally do, children, while going on any trip? You want to sit near the window, you want to enjoy outside scene through the window and all, no? But here, Papam, this papaya cannot see anything because she was put in closely knit basket. అంటే ఇంత కూడా ఓపెన్ ఉండదు, వెరీ థిక్లీ knit cane basket was there. In that basket they put her, understand? So it was dark everywhere for her. What happened? This basket bumped, jumped, jolted, moved here and there, understand? And they carried to and fro, here and there, while moving. It was moving along with these people. She curled herself up at the bottom of the basket. Curled means just like this. She slept at the bottom of the basket and sighed deeply and fell asleep. Sighing means taking a long breath. She woke up at another bump. She heard something swishing past her softly. It was much closer too. She sat up in her basket, straightening her whiskers, and heard Neera and Niren shouting with excitement. So, this was jolting and moving. This movement was very frequent for this cat. So, she woke up, bumping, jumping, moving unsteadily. So because of that type of movement in the basket, she woke up. She heard something swishing past, means making some zoom sound. Air makes a sound, no? One kind of zoom sound if it is blowing fast, hard. She heard that sound. It was much cooler too. The air was very cool. Why it was so cool? They were in Kashmir that time. She sat up in her basket, straightening her whiskers. Means straightening the whiskers. Straight cheskuntu. Just she was with anxiety. She was looking. Oh, where we are? Where did I come? With that excitement, she was very much. What to say? She was very much excited, curious to come out, because she heard Neera and Niren shouting in excitement. Understand? So what was this excitement? Let us see tomorrow. Where were they? They were in the houseboat. You know, last year you learnt in 4th class Jammu and Kashmir lesson in social study. Houseboats and shikaras are common. While sailing in the lake, they use it. So they were in the houseboat. They were traveling and enjoying the beauty of the lake. That time, what had happened and everything we are going to know tomorrow. So we are going to stop here only today. Tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Thank you, children.